Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I want to show you how you can earn $900 PayPal money in 2020. You're going to be able to make quick PayPal money using this method of making money online. If you like this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, I see a lot of my watch hours increasing and a lot of you are not subscribing. So make sure to hit the subscribe button as well as hitting the bell icon for notifications for all of my future videos. If you are curious how I make money online and you want to be able to do exactly what I do to be able to stay home with my 3 kids, especially during this whole COVID pandemic virus thing going on, check out my first link in the description below. It's going to be my #1 recommendation for making money online. So guys, getting right into this video, we are going to go to a site that I always pronounce incorrectly, so bear with me. It's validately.com. And what this is it's like a user testing site. So this is the page that you're going to see initially when you go to this site. Companies like Google, Amazon, Web.com, Infor, Allstate, Microsoft, and a bunch of other customers are using this site to get feedback from you guys as to how their apps are running, how their websites are running, and things of that nature. Places like Harvard, Weebly, StubHub. So a bunch of big name companies are using this site, and they really need your feedback. It's easy to use. They spend a lot of time on experimental design, and that's what you're going to help them with, is to experiment with the designs, the way that their software is running. We get a lot of data that we care about with low effort and great results. So it's really simple, it's really easy, and you're going to be able to give them great results. And in turn, you're going to be able to make money using this website here. It's very similar to user testing, which I'll show you at the end of the video. Make sure you do not scroll through this video because I'm going to show you when you do become a tester exactly how you can get more jobs using this site during the sign in. So what you're going to do is you're going to click get paid to test, start making money. It says welcome, create an account. So you're going to just throw your phone number in here, or you're going to tell them what kind of device you're using. So I'm just going to say that I'm using other and an iPhone and then hit next. I'm using a Windows right now. And then, I don't know, I think it's Windows 10. Clearly, I'm a female. What year were you born? Don't tell anybody my age, guys. I'm a college graduate, so I'm going to click there. Here is the part that I really want to draw your guys' attention to, and it's what is your employment status? So clearly, I'm a full-time employee right now, but I'm not going to hit that because they're not going to give me as many jobs, because when they hand these jobs out, they hand them out and they want them done in a quick amount of time with a good turnaround. So if you are retired, hit retired. If you're unemployed, hit that. Student, hit that. But even if you are full-time, you're going to want to click part-time so that way you can get as many jobs as possible. Then you're going to hit next. What industry are you in? I guess it really doesn't matter. We'll hit anything. Consumer. And then we'll hit next. What's your job title? We're just going to be a chief executive. And then you click how much your annual household income is. Because when you're filling all this out, guys, they're going to match these tests that these companies want per year to what you fill out in this questionnaire. You're going to type your full name. You're going to fill all of this out and then start getting going. The sign up is probably maybe we're just going to put digital mentor. The sign up is super duper, super duper easy. You're just going to fill out your email, then hit I am not a robot, and you're going to submit it. That's it, guys. You're completely signed up. Now make sure when you do use an email that you use an email that is going to be something that you're checking pretty often, because that's how you're going to be getting these jobs for this company. What you're going to do is you're just going to test things out, but make sure that when you are using this, if you are from another country, that you use a VPN to be in the US, because it just seems that they pay higher for the job. So you're going to want to use a VPN, which you can find a bunch of them online, anywhere. And it's super quick. It's super easy. I went over here and I was doing some research on what this is. My site says it is a legit company. You can make money testing websites and apps for them. For some, it may not seem like much or worth the effort, but $10 in free money just to fill out one of these tests and surveys is really good money. It's a great payout, guys. So check this out. Now, in order to get even more jobs, and you really like doing these, user testing jobs for them, I want to show you a couple more sites that you could be using. They're also really, really, really easy. They're available in the United States and a few other countries. So if you're in one of these countries, you're going to be able to use userzoom.com. And this is very, very, very similar to user testing and validately.com. So definitely check this site out. Get yourself signed up. Use a valid email, so that way you're going to be notified for different jobs that you could be doing. And it's that quick. It's that easy. You're going to be getting paid real money to be doing these jobs. Now, another site that is very similar. If you follow my channel, you know that I am a huge fan of a few different websites, but user testing is one of them. What you're going to do is you're going to hit get paid to test. What you do is you just throw your email in there, you hit apply. I've read to the terms and the policies, and it's that quick. It's that simple, guys. You're going to be able to make crazy amount of PayPal money quick and easy. So you sign yourself up, you take the test, and you get paid $10 for every 20-minute test that you complete, and even more for interviews. So this site is very similar to this site. So you're definitely going to want to check out all three of those in order to make as much money as you can online. But guys, you are still exchanging time for money, and who really wants to do that? If you're curious about what I do for work, check out the first link in the description below. It's going to be exactly how I make my money online each and every day. It's a passive income. It's really simple and easy. I really hope you check that link out. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, guys. I see my numbers increasing and I don't see these subscribers increasing. So make sure to just slam that subscribe button. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think of the videos, what I can do to change them, what I can do to improve them, and maybe some ideas of what you want to know in regards to making money online, what I can do to help you guys. Also, do not forget to hit the bell icon so I can send you notifications when I do videos. I promise you I'm not going to spam you with notifications, but definitely just hit that bell icon so that way you know when I actually do videos, so you're not missing out on any of these amazing methods of making money online. I really hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for some more videos.